Good morning. I am Asha here from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today I am going to explain the linear programming problems, how to solve the linear programming problems using graphical method. In that we are going to discuss about the solitary solution. Let us consider the problem, that is maximize z is equal to 5x1 plus 3x2. It is subjected to the constraints. There are two constraints here. 3x1 plus 5x2 is equal to 15. 5x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. x1 comma x2 is greater than or equal to 0. This is called non-negativity constraints because the variable whatever you are considering should be greater than 0. Okay, so if you see the problem, it is of maximization problem. And here, instead of the inequalities, they have directly given as the equation. So the first step is convert the inequalities into an equation. So already here it is in the form of equal to sign only. So take that equation, substitute x1 is equal to 0, find out the value of x2. So x1 is 0, so x2 will be 3. Next, put x2 is equal to 0 in the same equation, get the value of x1. So x2 is equal to 0, x1 is 5. So the coordinates are 0, 3 and 5, 0. Second equation, we have 5x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. So x1 is equal to 0, x2 will be 5 and x2 is equal to 0, x1 will be equal to 2. So the coordinates are 0, 5 and 2, 0. Now here, this is the graph sheet. Each 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So we have the coordinates, that is 3, 0 and 5, 0. Represent the coordinates, and 0, 5 and 2, 0. Connect these 2 points using line. So we have 3, 0 and 5, 0. Draw an inclination line joining these 2 coordinates. Again, you have 5 and 2. So if you see this graph, you take this line, that is 3x1 plus 5x2. So this is the equation 3x1 plus 5x2 equal to 50. Okay, so this is the equation. Second one is 5x1 plus 2x2 equal to 10. Okay, so if I take the first equation, I take any point below that line, I'll take 0. Is 0, 0. So I'll take the origin itself. 0, 0 less than is equal to 15. No. So it should be above. Arrow mark should be away from the origin. Again, if I take this inclination line, that is 5x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 10. If I take any point below that line, I'll take 0, 0. Is 0 equal to 10? It doesn't satisfy the equation. So the arrow mark will be above this line or away from the origin. So only single point of contact which satisfy both the equation is this intersection point. So this is the intersection point which is satisfied. That's why it is called the solitary solution. The solution is feasible only at this single point. So the only solution to the problem is this intersection point. So which represent the 2 constraints. This is the point which satisfy both the constraints. So if you take the coordinates of that point, it is 1.05 comma 2.37. You can solve these two equations in the calculator and get the coordinates. So A will be 1.05 comma 2.37. Substitute in the objective function. Objective is to maximize the objective function. So substitute here, you will get 12.37. At the coordinates, that is x1 is 1.05 and x2 is equal to 12.37. Thank you.